Hi, so do you want to know how I have made $2,000 in 24 hours, basically one day with one affiliate offer, and how you can do it yourself? Then watch this video until the end, because I'm going to share with you exactly how you can get in touch with me, and also how I have made $2,000 using Google Ads, basically in 24 hours after running the ad campaign. So let me show you here. You can see over here I have made $2,000 in one day. And what is the most important thing? The most important thing about this concept of affiliate marketing, no matter what you're using, MaxWeb, whatever, ClickBank, right, or any other private network out there, one thing you must remember is that you have to be in the niche where there is evergreen and where is huge demand, right? Huge demand, or what we call emotional gap, right? What is emotional gap? Basically, unmet needs, right? Markets, people, audiences, they have unmet needs. And as you know, if you have been doing any online marketing, internet marketing before, people usually buy things they want, not what they need, right? It's not about you, it's about them, right? It's about the market, what do they want. So if you understand that, you can really dial it down and start creating profitable campaigns, having profitable $1,000 days or weeks or months, right? Entirely up to you. What is your dream goal or desire that you want to achieve with affiliate marketing? So as you can see here, I made $2,000, but let me show you what is the most important. Let's go straight into it. You see here, I go into this tool called Uber Suggest, right? So what is this? This is great if you're running Google Ads, Google PPC, Google Keywords, right? Personally, what I'm also doing, I'm using buyers lists. So basically, list of customers, which I'm uploading it in my Google ad campaigns, and I'm retargeting, creating similar audiences and stuff like that. So let me show you here what you can do if you're a beginner, if you're a newbie, right? Let's say that you are in the weight loss space, Nutra, diet, keto diet, stuff like that, right? What you can do. So let me share it with you here. You can discover new keywords. So simply type in, for example, keto diet. And then you can choose any locations around the world. This is, for example, for Thailand, in Asia. You can choose, let's say, United States, right? We will choose United States. And then what you can do from here is, like, you can choose language. So, for example, English, and you can choose English language. So you choose locations, language, right? Anything else you want, for example, Australia, let's see, Australia, and click search and see what happens, right? We click on search, and then after it loads, the site loads, right, you will see different keyword ideas, right? For example, over here you can see we have keto diet, right? Keywords. So you have volume 60,500. What does it mean? 60,500. It means that 60,500 searches, people search for this keto diet keyword, and cost per click is $1.77 US. So it means that it's quite hard, right? It's quite difficult. The paid difficulty, as you can see here on my screen, is 93. It's quite hard, right? Because it's a little bit expensive, but it's expensive because people are looking for it, right? It means that it's in the need, it's in demand, right? And once, if you know, as you know, right, as you're watching this video right now, if you stop and think about this, if something is in the need, right, if there is the need for something, then of course also it means it's in huge demand, and so usually supply is low, demand is high, so of course the profit is much more higher for you. So keep this in mind, right? You can start with keywords like, for example, keto diet plan free, right? And you can give away free gift. Then you can give keto diet what to eat, keto diet recipes, right? Keto diet for vegetarians, keto diet for beginners, keto diet with vegetables, keto diet list of foods. Many different keywords you can use on Google, right? Running Google Ads, of course. So you can see that CPC is really cheap. $0.8 per click. So you can target different keywords if you have a high quality offer. And I suggest, if you're watching this video now, look, get in touch with me. Here is my Instagram, right? You can find me out over here. This is my username. You can find me on Instagram, and the link is going to be below this video, and also on my YouTube banner you can find my Instagram, so you can connect with me over here, and you can get in touch with me, right? And what is the most important thing? The most important thing about this affiliate marketing concept is that you choose the quality product that is paying at least $100. Why $100? Because if you're running any kind of ads, Google ads, Instagram ads, Facebook ads, right? Doesn't matter. What matters is that you know how much you're spending and the margins, right, and the profits at the end of the day, right? Because you are doing this because you want to be profitable, right? You don't want to lose money. So if you want to do it correctly, if you want to have done for you Google ad campaigns, if you want to have done for you affiliate website, one-on-one support, then do let me know. Below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts, my email, my WhatsApp. You can reach out to me also on the Instagram, as you can see here, and just let me know, right? Scroll down and reach out to me, and let's see if you are serious. And I think you are serious because you are watching this video. Then do let me know and we can get started. So again, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel so you can get more helpful tips like this.